NVT is the Noise and Vibration Technologies Group. It is a collection of 3 individual organizations that have come together primarily in creating test and measurement equipment. We have pretty much an equal share in about 9 different markets, so anywhere from aerospace to defense to automotive, package testing. We sell hardware, but we also have software packages with our instrumentation. We provide the equipment to the customers for them to do the testing. The test industry has transformed over time. When they started 60 years ago, it was, quite frankly, very simple mechanical devices, primarily automotive. Traditionally, it's been done in a single degree of freedom, either a horizontal or a vertical. What these companies have done and what their expertise is a multi-degree of freedom testing, where you're testing in multiple degrees at the same time. It's really simulating what happens in real life for any particular device that is in motion. Battery acquired Data Physics in early 2014. With their test equipment, they make electrodynamic vibration that is used to test everything from cell phones to satellites. Landsmont is an expert and a market leader in the package test industry. When Amazon and Wayfair and some of the bigger ship direct customers test packaging to make sure that that package is able to withstand shipping, Landsmont makes the equipment that actually tests that package under different conditions. Team is most known for their specialty engineering. Team has done projects for militaries around the world. They've done several projects for NASA and for other space agencies. These days, there's quite a bit that's being done more toward the consumer electronics. The packaging industry has changed dramatically over the last few years, and that's one of the reasons why Landsmont has grown so well. Instead of sending 100 units in a large packet to a big box store, now you're sending those 100 units individually to each consumer at their front door. The consumer is a much more robust critic of packaging, and when you order a television set and it shows up on your door and you've got a dent in the box, very typically they'll return that without even opening the box. Landsmont's technology has allowed them to test so that their packaging is not only secure for the product inside, it's cost sensitive to make sure that they're minimizing costs, but it's also environmentally friendly to make sure that there's not a significant amount of styrofoam or plastic used in these. Noise and vibration testing market is north of $3.5 billion and growing at a 4 to 5% CAGR over the next 5 to 6 years. It's a very strong market right now, and there's a lot of space and a lot of room for expansion. When you look at all these different industries and the changes that are happening, every change that happens in their industry is a new change for testing, and it's something that provides us with the opportunity for growth. The exciting thing about NVT is really the technology. It's fantastic technology, and it has so many applications. Watching them test the James Webb Telescope at NASA and the next day be talking to Apple about their next version of iPhone, and then talking to Tesla about their next version of an electric car, that diversity provides a lot of excitement for us and quite frankly keeps us engaged every day.